How to cancel a Shopify subscription. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel with your username and password. In the lower left corner of your dashboard, click on Settings. This will take you to a page with various options for managing your store. Now, on the Settings page, find and click on Plan. This section contains all the information related to your current Shopify plans and permissions for your account. Before proceeding, review your current plan's details, including billing cycles and fees. Ensure that you understand any potential charges or refunds that may apply. Scroll down to the Store Status section and click on Deactivate Store. Shopify will ask you to provide a reason for deactivating your store. Select the appropriate reason from the drop-down menu. Then confirm the cancellation and enter your password. Then Shopify will show a final confirmation message. Click Deactivate Store to complete the process. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.